Hey guys, Austin here. We have my brother. Sorry, this is not Tejon. We're unboxing Xbox One. All these games. Okay. So this is the box. Okay, that's the Xbox.
No.
These are all the cords. You got the brick for the Xbox.
You know the games already on the system, right?
Okay, this is the code for like all these games. We got box, like the charger box. We got the controller. We'll open that later. We got the wait, is this? We got the plug-in cord. We got the HDMI cord.
These are all the fucking things for the games. I need these.
Yeah, that's the thing. This is the instruction manual, which you're not reading. Okay, let's get to the controller.
Can I get the equipment, please? Can I get the equipment? Why are you touching a bag of fucking stuff?
Why are you holding? And yeah, that's all guys. My brother over there. Later.